everybody, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to today's project. We are going to be using this big guy, and this leftover paper pack. So I'm going to be putting these in my fall journal, and then I wanted to show you this. This was given to me by a friend, and it is just your basic pocket, and we'll put that in there. But right now I want to get something from out of here, and we're going to need several pieces. So we'll take this one, and we'll take, let's see, what do we have that would be really cool in my fall journal? Let's go with this one. I was eyeballing that one earlier. So you're going to need, you can do this with a regular circle punch, and it's going to be my spin on something different. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out several pieces of this, and then we will be embellishing these. If they work out the way I want them to. So this is part one of a two-part project. I'll come back to that if this whole idea works. All right, so then we take our round punch. We're going to cut a few of these. Again, we'll come back to this if the idea works. All right, so we're going to need, these are going to sit on top of these. And then this will sit on top of that. And I may come back and take that extra off the back, you know what I mean, because they have a like that. This one gets glued. Yes, this one will get glued. But first I have to punch a hole in the center. Tell you, we're winging this. We're doing this as we go. Actually, I just need a brad, I think. I just get a brad, guys. And again, I may come and take that top piece off. I don't know if I need it quite that long. I hope I got a brad in here. Have everything else. Everything but a brad. Magnets and everything else but no brad. I know I have brads. Hold on, guys. I know I have brads. I don't want one that has a hook on it. Bingo. Those are tiny. But they probably will work. Okay. So what was I thinking? I was here, and then here. Not there, maybe. Nope. It will be this one. Okay, so now I need to, no, wouldn't be this one. I think I have to construct it from the outside, you know, from the inside out. So now I need to make a pocket. Yeah. I need to make a pocket, guys. Maybe I should put it on an envelope and have the envelope be the pocket. I wonder what would be the best way to do this. And then I could cut the pocket down, right? Cut the pocket smaller. Yeah. That's what we'll do. Stay with me, guys. My idea is going to work, I think. A 3-inch pocket. Let's go to the edge here. Okay. So this will be our pocket. This way. And I'm wondering though, should I put something on this piece first? I think I should cover this, so we don't want it blah. We don't want it blah. And is it okay if it's going to have kind of the same background? No. Do we want it this color? No. We got to find a background. Ooh, what about book page, guys? Why not book page? Nope, that's not wide enough. So then we'll use cuff dyed paper. That's what we'll go with, cuff dyed paper. And then we'll put a stamp or two on it, right? Okay, I got to get going here. I am wasting way too much time. Okay, here's our coffee dyed paper coming in. Open this, and I'm going to open this. Everything else stays the same. Okay, we'll trim this up later. You get the idea. I don't care if that hangs up. I'll recover. Put a stamp there, because this is going in the center. Where's the one we just dolled up? Oh, where'd it go? Brad that I'm gonna need. What in the world did I do with the pretty flower we just made? I've done it, and I talk about wasting time. There she is. Okay, so this will go here. Need a hole. I need a hole. Well, I'm just going to use the brad poke hole. Get it reasonably in the center. That was weird. Okay. And this gets glued on. And then we're going to put a hole through here. Is that one or two? These brads are not the tough guy I thought they would be, guys. Okay, so then this goes through here. We're going to put this down. And then we're going to glue this one everywhere but in the center. So this will turn. Just like that. All right, and then this gets glued back together. And now we have our interactive, really cool pocket. It's going to be hole punched. I thought this was such a cool idea. And we can come in and dress it up however we want. But look at that for our fall journal. Yay! Kind of cool. I'll fix this up. I'll probably put a piece of lace along there. Yeah, I think I will put the lace there. And glue that down and we're good. Golden. And ta-da! I'll ink this other side. And we now have a really cool pocket for our really cool fall journal to go with this other pocket in our fall journal, guys. And I might come and put some buttons here. Look at that. Oops, sorry. Tell me what you guys think. Ta-da! All right. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.